Hello again, Jefferson Tomazella here, and welcome back to the welcome to the second day. I'm doing the game jam for Padre Ludus, and what I accomplished so far is just a simple game. That the idea is to use this light against darkness, and it will be a roguelite game where you want to go and explore and sacrifice to remove darkness from an area, and when you return you have that area cleared, and you can go and clear out other areas as well. But if you die from like creatures or something like that, then you won't progress. You need to go and sacrifice yourself to help the area. So that's my approach to the gem theme, that is the resurrection of Christ. The player will not be playing Jesus Christ, they will be playing someone that got a mission from Jesus Christ. And that's it for now. And the next step here, I want to do some actual or some enemies to so we can not fight, but because we are not going to kill the enemies, that will not be possible. The light just make them go away, and yeah, and that's it. So let's start doing some enemies or some creatures or something like that. So here I have my player. Like I said, for now I not don't know if I'm going to use this Kenny asset pack for the art style, but I'm just trying to prototype the gameplay mechanics here. So let's go and create another scene. It will be a character body 2D as well. Need to have an collision shape. Collision shape needs to have a shape that will be a circle as well. And let's zoom it. And we're gonna add a sprite. Sprite 2D. Okay, so let me get my characters. And down here, let's add animation. We have 5 by 5, and let's see what frame can you use. This is a nice one. Another nice one. I like those wizardy ghost. A bat, a rat. Okay, so I'm going for first this. Maybe they will be a stronger enemy. Let me just go for this one. More simple, more easy, and let me bring down the collision shape here. The sprite on top so I can see the collision shape. Okay, that should be enough for this enemy appearance. Then let's call that a creature, ghoul or ghost one. Let's call this ghoul. So the player is on the world of the dead, and they need to clear that place. Okay, so what's the default creature behavior? Let's I can make a creature and expand that, but I will not dive into this right now. Let me I don't need a, just creature go. Let's call class name, creature go. And okay, this will be just a simple state machine that tries to move in the direction the player is, and if there is a light nearby, they try to avoid that light. Very simple, very straightforward, and when they hit the player takes damage. So let's first make them move. So let's use this variable target. Let's just call target. It will be a character. The player. What's the player class? Oh, I didn't give a class. So class name player. And here I can make this be a player, and it's equal no by default. Okay, so I have my target, I have my speed, export speed, float goes 50. That should be okay for now. Oh yeah, and short bar damage. That will be also float goes. Let's get this the default low damage of 1, or the basic low damage of 1. Zoom this a bit. Okay, so nice. I have this. Now I need to check for the player, and to be more simple, I can use a collider probably, but I can use just a check to see if the player is in range. So let's do that. Oh, port var follow range, or what is Noah? Que foi, filhinho? That's my son. Noah, just a second. Que foi, meu amor? Oh, hello again. And okay, let's call that follow range is a float, and by default, let's give it like 300. I don't know. I need to try that and see how it works. And let me put this below here. So my function process. First thing, I want to check if the player is in range. So if how to get the player. Let me make it static, because there's only one player here. Static variable. No, no, no. The target, if I have the player in range, the target will be okay. Yeah. So this is will be static var player. Player was no. And in the ready function, if player equals no, no, then I'll try to look for the player. So how do Godot look for a specific object in the scene? Let's check that out. I don't know. Godot find instance scene. I can use a unique name. Access as unique name. Yeah, I think that should work because I have only one player. I probably don't need that. If that way they use it, player. Probably not. Oh yeah. Mm. Oh, this is probably the best thing I want, so I can just get rid of that. Okay. We go back here. I don't know if I need to call that this. Let me just check this and add a creature. Go here and see if I got print. No, I can cross it. I can collide it. Then maybe the player is too fast. Or not. I don't know. Mm. Ah, I didn't add that to a group actually. It's not a good idea to go down levels. I need to send a signal. Of less. Hmm. Mhm, 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 mhm. Ah. Get tree root, but fine tune. Oh, this is interesting. Of type player. Oh, it returns an array. I'll probably get an error here. Qual, filho? Tem? Uhum. Yes. My play. Sorry. My player is still no. Probably the enemies. I mean, ready before the player. Ugh. Or I'm not using this correctly. Let's try to use a group. Probably need to add this here. I'm never finding the player. I didn't want to make the player an auto load, but maybe that's a way to do this. Let's try to make it an auto load and see what we get. No, that way the player will be spawned every time, even in the menu. Hmm. Get node. Unique names. Oh, maybe so this name. And then I go here and use get node. Player print player. Oh, okay, never find a player. Dum 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 dum. Oh, I need to use percent player. Wait, no. No, I don't want to get an abyssal look at the name. Sharp. I don't want to see sharp. Oh, okay. Have a unique name. That here. Oh, okay. Well, I need to stop a little for now. As we continue later.